croissants or cornetti for your aperitivo. Who doesn't like croissants? And while Italian croissants, called cornetti, are different than the French ones, today we are making a mix of both. We are making a puff pastry croissant alla francese with an Italian savory filling. I promise these will have your guests begging for more. Ingredients: puff pastry, 1 sheet pre-made, bacon cubes, 100 grams, provolone cheese, 30 grams, a delicious pesto, 2 tablespoons, authentic sun-dried tomatoes, 3 large. This recipe makes 8 croissants, 4 with bacon and cheese and 4 with pesto and sun-dried tomatoes. Feel free to double the recipe to make more or opt for one filling. This gives you a regular and a vegetarian option. Preparation: cut the provolone cheese into small cubes. Cut the sun-dried tomatoes into small pieces. Take the bacon and pastry out of the packaging. Cut your pastry into 4 quarters, and then every quarter into 2 triangles. Spread the pesto on 4 of the triangles. Then lay the sun-dried tomatoes pieces on top of the pesto. Next, spread the cheese and the bacon cubes across the other 4 triangles. And now roll each triangle into a croissant, starting from the widest end. Once you are done rolling all the croissants, you can bend them a little to give them more of a croissant shape. The key is not to overfill them, otherwise they won't have a croissant shape and the filling will come out while they bake. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Once out of the oven, let them cool for a few minutes and place them on a serving plate. Enjoy. Tips: you can experiment using ham instead of bacon, and you can also add olives, artichokes and zucchini to the pesto ones.